Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're enjoying learning about Earth Day. Today, I'm going to do a fun art project with you. But as always, first, let's discuss the materials you may need. Over here, I have different colored paper. I have blue, green, and white, but you can have any colored paper or just white is fine. You might want to use a stapler in this project, or if you don't have a stapler, you might want to use a glue stick if you have one. And if you don't have those, you can use, what's this? That's right, it's Scotch tape. It is sticky and it's going to work for our project today. Miss Diana is going to use Scotch tape, not a glue stick or a stapler. You're gonna need scissors. You're going to need coloring pencils. And we're going to send your mommies and daddies a template of the earth, the 7 continents. So who is ready to start this fun project with Miss Diana? All right, let's go. So let's start with Miss Diana is going to use, what color is this? Green, that's right, green piece of paper. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We are going to create our helping hands project today. What do you think I'm going to do on this piece of paper? Think about it. That's right, helping hands. So I have to trace and draw my hands. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to start from here and go all the way around every finger very carefully, doing my left hand and all the way to my wrist. When I'm done, here is my left hand. Then I'm going to put the paper down, switch the pencil, and I'm going to trace my right hand. So I'm going to start from my wrist, doing every finger very carefully, because we don't have to rush. We can take our time and enjoy this art activity. And here is my traced right and left hand. So now that I have my right and left hands traced, and by the way, boys and girls, if you can't do it by yourself, guess what? You can ask your mommy, your daddy, or whoever the adult at home is to help you trace your hands. And then you can use the scissors and cut out your hands all by yourself, like Miss Anna is doing right now, keeping her scissors away from her body. As always, just moving the piece of paper around. And it might take you a little while, but that's okay, because we have to stay safe when doing any type of a project using the scissors. Always away from the body, just like what Miss Diana is doing. You can move the paper and your hand, but you never want to have the scissors facing you, because why? That's right, because you can get hurt. And remember, we want everyone safe, having fun, learning, not getting hurt. So, here we go. My right hand is cut out. See, look at that. My right hand is cut out. Now I'm ready to cut my left hand out. As always, scissors away from my body. See, I'm only moving the paper to cut out my hand, keeping the scissors away from the body. And if you have a hard time cutting your hands out, you can also ask the adult doing this project with you to help you. It's okay to need help. So, I am almost done cutting my hand. And this is the first part of the project. Now that when you have the first your hands cut out, that was step one, you put them to the side for just a moment. And then I'm going to use a blue piece of paper, and you're gonna see for what, but remember, it doesn't matter what color paper you have, white is just as good as any other color. And now this is where our Earth comes in. The 7 continents, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. So now I'm going to just cut out my continent to represent our Earth. I'm cutting, and notice, boys and girls, I am always keeping the scissors away from the body, no matter what I am cutting. There you go. So this is our representation of our Earth. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to use tape and put it on the back of the Earth. Just a few pieces, just like that. I'm going to show you once I'm all done. But you don't have to do it exactly like Miss Diana. Remember, you can use a glue stick or a stapler. It doesn't matter what you use as long as you're having fun doing this project. Just like that. All right. So this is how I use the tape in the back of the Earth. And I'm gonna put it on the blue piece of paper, just like that. See? So this is what it looks like right now. Then you want to take your hands, okay, and you're going to wrap your hands around the Earth, just like this. But before you do that, I have a suggestion, boys and girls. Guess what you can do on each of your fingers? That's right. You can write ways you are going to help our Earth stay clean. So I'm going to write turn, lights off in one finger. I'm going to put plant a tree in another hand on the other finger. Just like that. Do you see? Do you see what I wrote? And you can write other ways you're going to help keep our Earth clean and safe for celebrating Earth Day. And then you're going to take the tape or whatever you're using so that you put it together and put it just like that. I will show you once Miss Diana is finished. How it looks. And that is our project. You see, Miss Diana didn't fill every finger with how she's gonna help keep our earth clean and safe to celebrate Earth Day. But you at home, I would love if you fill every one of your fingers and send it to your teachers. Hope you have fun. See you soon.